Welcome to our exploration of the human eye, one of the most fascinating organs in our body. In the next few minutes, we'll take a closer look at this incredible structure that allows us to perceive the world around us. From its intricate exterior to its complex interior, the human eye is a marvel of biological engineering. Let's begin our journey by examining the exterior structures of the human eye. The most visible part is the white of the eye, known as the sclera. This tough, protective outer layer covers most of the eyeball and helps maintain its shape. At the front of the eye, we find the cornea, a clear, dome-shaped window that allows light to enter. The cornea is responsible for focusing light as it enters the eye. Moving inward, we encounter the iris, the colored part of the eye that gives each person their unique eye color. The iris contains muscles that control the size of the pupil, the dark circle at the center. The pupil expands in low light conditions to let in more light and contracts in bright light to protect the sensitive interior of the eye. Surrounding the eye are several important structures that protect and support it. The eyelids, along with eyelashes, act as a barrier against dust, debris, and bright light. Tear glands produce tears that lubricate the eye and wash away irritants. The conjunctiva, a thin membrane, covers the white of the eye and the inner surface of the eyelids, providing further protection. Now, let's delve into the interior structures of the human eye. Just behind the iris and pupil lies the lens, a flexible, transparent structure that further focuses light onto the retina. The lens can change shape, becoming thicker to focus on nearby objects or flatter for distant vision. This process, known as accommodation, allows us to see clearly at different distances. Behind the lens is a large, gel-filled chamber called the vitreous body. This clear, jelly-like substance helps maintain the eye's shape and keeps the retina in place. The retina, located at the back of the eye, is a light-sensitive layer of tissue that contains millions of photoreceptor cells. These cells, known as rods and cones, convert light into electrical signals that can be interpreted by the brain. The retina is home to a small area called the macula, which is responsible for our central, high-resolution vision. At the center of the macula is the fovea, a tiny pit that contains the highest concentration of cone cells, allowing for the sharpest visual acuity. As light hits the retina, it triggers a complex series of chemical and electrical reactions. The signals generated by the photoreceptor cells travel along the optic nerve, a bundle of nerve fibers that connects the eye to the brain. The optic nerve carries these visual signals to the visual cortex in the brain, where they are processed and interpreted as the images we see. The eye also contains several fluids that help maintain its shape and function. The aqueous humor, a clear fluid in the front part of the eye, provides nutrients to the cornea and lens. It also helps regulate the eye's internal pressure. The vitreous humor, which fills the larger back chamber of the eye, provides structural support and acts as a shock absorber. It's important to note that the human eye works in tandem with various muscles and nerves. 6 extraocular muscles surround each eye, controlling its movements and allowing us to look in different directions. The ciliary muscles attached to the lens help change its shape for focusing, while the iris muscles control pupil size. In conclusion, the human eye is an incredibly complex and efficient organ. From its protective outer layers to its light-sensitive interior, every part of the eye plays a crucial role in the process of vision. This intricate system allows us to perceive depth, color, and movement, enabling us to navigate and interact with the world around us. As we continue to study and understand the human eye, we gain a deeper appreciation for the remarkable capabilities of our own bodies and the wonders of human anatomy.